So we got a call for a Ram 1500, and they say it's pulling a 38-foot trailer. So there's a chance it's either not a Ram 1500 or it's not a 38-foot trailer. But at any rate, they are stuck in the sand out at Sand Hollow. We're gonna go out there and see if we can get them out.
I'm not stuck in my truck. It's just I know that's heavy enough. It's gonna.
Yeah. Good job not burying it. But we'll pull you right out here to the road. Are you trying? You want to head out that way or this way?
We gotta go back.
Okay.
I think get out of the park.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, I'm Randy.
Hi, Randy.
Yes.
You got good hooks right there.
I thought these were your buddies, just did not look like a tow truck.
Yeah, you'll have to check out our YouTube channel. This is
Oh my gosh,
on a
dang
scale
it.
of 1 to 10. This is a 1. So
Really?
yeah.
So it's not so bad?
Yeah.
I didn't think it'd be so bad. I'm like, it's not.
I just didn't want to make it any worse.
Yeah, no, that's a good thinking right there. Okay. Just turn your wheels a little to the right. Okay, right there's you're lined up, and then that would be straight. Okay, we're just gonna just help just a little bit. Don't do any digging, and don't overrun the rope. So once we do get moving, make sure I'm doing work. Okay.
Me? Oh, I can't see
Back
what
up and
that
watch.
says.
Hey, you got your chains right there.
So we got there, we got them found and got them pulled back out. That one would have benefited from another 20 foot of kinetic rope. But I didn't think I needed it. We ended up not needing it.
Got a package today. This is from, I don't know, Portland, Oregon. I sharpened my knife.
Yeah, that'll make some people happy. It says made in Oregon right on the side of the box.
Made in Oregon. That's good. Whole bunch of packages. Oh my. Huckleberry jam. I bet that's good. Made in Oregon. I know the blackberry jam's good because I live in Oregon. A lot of years. Oregon growers, strawberry. Gotta be a blackberry in there because there's a lot of blackberries up there. Mace. Marinberry, never heard of that. Oh, big guy. Well, thank you, guys. Thanks, Randall.
Okay.
Salt Lake and Bear River.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a pretty treasure gift, Ed.
I know what it is.
I know exactly what it is.
Well, glad you guys stopped by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's better than a gold nugget
I
right
know.
there.
We need that in the shop. Hard to find it
If
anymore.
we get stuck, we got more toilet paper. We're gonna trade to get unstuck.
Get unstuck.
That's how we'll pay.
What do you got there, Ed?
Got a roll of toilet paper. Just what we need. The stores are out. We're about out.